Hello and welcome to English Flow Podcast. I am John, and today we will practice simple English conversation together. This lesson is for beginners. You will listen, repeat, and shadow me step by step. Speaking English can be easy and fun with practice. Are you ready? Great! Let's start. Today, we focus on English conversation practice. Many beginners feel nervous to speak English. They worry about mistakes or saying words wrong. This fear can stop learning, but speaking every day helps you improve. Shadowing can improve your pronunciation and confidence. Even short sentences make a big difference. Practice daily, and you will speak naturally. Some people think speaking English is very hard. This is not true. You do not need perfect grammar to start. Short sentences and daily practice are enough. Mistakes are normal. They help you learn faster. Say to yourself, I can speak English. Repeat after me. I can speak English. Great job! Keep believing in yourself. English conversation is talking in English with others. It can be simple and short. You can talk about food, family, travel, or study. For example, hello, how are you today? Or I like pizza and juice. Conversation is listening and speaking together. Shadowing is repeating after someone, slowly and clearly. It helps you sound natural and confident. Today, we will practice short sentences together. Tip 1. Listen carefully. Pay attention to each word and sound. Example, I am happy today. Now repeat after me. I am happy today. Say it again. I am happy today. Great job! Tip 2. Repeat slowly. Do not rush. Take your time. Example, I like coffee in the morning. Repeat, I like coffee in the morning. Say it again. I like coffee in the morning. Excellent. Tip 3. Use everyday topics. Talk about food, family, study, or travel. Example, I go to school every day. Repeat, I go to school every day. Say it again. I go to school every day. Perfect. Tip 4. Ask simple questions. Questions help conversation flow naturally. Example, how is your family today? Repeat, how is your family today? Say it again. How is your family today? Great work. Tip 5. Practice every day. Even 5 minutes helps you improve. Example, I eat rice and vegetables. Repeat, I eat rice and vegetables. Say it again. I eat rice and vegetables. Wonderful! Now we will practice 5 sentences together. Repeat after me. Sentence 1. I like reading books. Now you repeat. I like reading books. Great job. Say it again. I like reading books. Sentence 2. She is my best friend. Repeat after me. She is my best friend. Say it again. She is my best friend. Sentence 3. We go to the market. Now repeat. We go to the market. Say it again. We go to the market. Sentence 4. He eats an apple. Repeat after me. He eats an apple. Say it again. He eats an apple. Sentence 5. I am learning English. Now repeat. I am learning English. Great. Say it again. I am learning English. Amazing! You did a wonderful job today. Remember, practice every day. Even short sentences help a lot. Shadowing and listening make your English sound natural. Mistakes are normal. Do not worry about them. You are improving step by step. Keep going. Thank you for joining me on English Flow Podcast. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye, and keep practicing English every day.